Do you want to try to start your own YouTube channel from your phone? Is it possible? Despite all the other things you hear other people say about you, if you film on your phone, you should only do it with the rear camera. Well, obviously you're not supposed to film with 3GS, a 4, a 4S. Okay, you can kind of film with the iPhone 5. But the back camera is only an 8 megapixel, and the front camera is only a 1.2 megapixel. But despite hearing that people always say only use your rear camera, never use your selfie camera, that's actually not really true at all. You can actually use your selfie camera and get pretty good video quality still. Let's say if you want to use the iPhone 5, 5S, the front quality of the camera, 5, 5S, and SE is only going to be 720p, which is not horrible. It's not the best, but it's not horrible. So you could actually film a video with 720p quality and actually not be that bad. But okay, so why do people always say that? So the camera and the front camera is actually very clear. And no matter, you got basically iPhone 5 or up, but yeah, not the best to do with the iPhone 5. Maybe the SE or higher. But people might say never film with the front-facing camera. That's actually not true at all. The front-facing camera is actually the easiest to operate. Because if you're using the rear camera, you can't see what's going on behind the scenes. And you're not always going to have someone to help you film the video. So they can't tell you if the video got your face all in their camera right, is it zoomed in, or is it focused on your face. You're not always going to have a person with you to be able to tell you if everything's going right. So, if you're by yourself and you don't have any siblings or anyone else to help hold the camera, then the selfie camera is the best way to hold up. Because you can see what's going on and you can be able to control it without anything being messed up in the video. You can focus on your face, stop the video and everything without knowing if it's not focused or not. That's the best thing about the selfie. Okay, so other than that, we'll go to the quick little steps on what you need to film a video on your phone. First of all, you're going to need a good camera, a good phone camera, and then you can have this iPhone 5 or up, and no one most likely is going to have any other phone than that. Okay, well this is just an iPhone. If you want, this video will be filming on your iPhone, so if you have an iPhone 5 or up, basically to do a YouTube channel, I would suggest, because they have it's a decent rear camera and a decent selfie camera. So I would suggest you have an iPhone, at least an iPhone 5 or up. Okay, second, you going most likely need a tripod. If you want to hold it yourself, like making like a vlog where you can see it, you're holding the phone, then you won't need a tripod. But if you're going to do tech reviews or any other kind of thing that requires a tripod, you should look into trying to get a cheap, if you don't have enough money, a cheap tripod, because you can find cheap tripods that actually are very great quality at very cheap prices. Like I found the one I'm using right now that is a very sturdy and great quality, super flexible. I can put it in any position I want, and I found that Five Below for $5, and that's part of my birthday present I got, which is a very great quality since I needed it. Anyways, so besides the phone tripod, the main question is, do you need external mic? Well, do you need an external mic? No, you do not. iPhone 5 and up have a pretty good, already has a pretty good mic built into it, so you actually can get pretty stunning quality out of this thing, out of just talking through the mic already. You don't need to spend any money buying a mic or anything. Okay, what about lighting? You really don't need this, because I'm doing this right now with absolute zero lighting. Well, okay, a little bit light, but I'm just using my normal room light to light this thing up. I'm not even pointing at the camera. This already got great quality lighting. Okay. So you don't have to spend really any money. If you have a little desk light, you can just use that to help get some better lighting. You don't have to pay anything for good lighting, really, unless if you're just starting out. If you start getting higher, you probably would want to consider that. But just starting out, no, you don't have to buy anything. Okay, what about backdrop if you're doing like unboxing type thing like this? You guys see I got a little backdrop now, just upgraded to a little backdrop, and you won't believe how cheap this stuff is. You can buy a backdrop just like this for 74 cents. And I'm pretty sure you'll be able to afford that, because that is very cheap. I found this backdrop at Hobby Lobby. You can even find some for 50 cents at Dollar Tree, which is good, but it's not gonna be as sturdy as this, because this is like heavy cardstock. I got for 70 something cents. And yes, you can buy two and get only for $1. So that's a really good deal. That's basically all you need. Okay, and yes, I said it already. Beginning video, you can easily film your video with the selfie camera. Don't always listen to the other people. You can actually film a great quality 720p video that's not that bad with the selfie camera. And if you have some other means by using the rear camera, then yes. If you have the ability to use the rear camera, then yeah, go ahead and use the rear camera. do that if you can. But if you can't, don't hesitate. Just use your selfie camera. The selfie camera can still get pretty stunning video and photo. So yes, I would highly suggest you, if you don't have access to be able to use your rear camera, no one can help you see what's going on, to just shoot for the selfie camera. It's the best deal, and it's really, you can find, if you don't have a lot of money, you can easily find a phone for about $50 drop. This one I actually found for $40, and it's very great quality, excellent condition, came with chargers and everything, and has a pretty great selfie camera and of course a rear camera. But since I don't really have access to someone helping me with the rear camera, I just do the selfie camera mostly, and it actually do really good quality. Of course, I don't use this one for my video. I'm gonna use the SE and stuff, but this is still very great quality if you were on a budget and wanted to get semi good video. And it's not gonna be horrible. You're not gonna be made fun of for having a horrible video quality. It's gonna be still very great. So yes, if you need film on a budget, you can use a phone, and you can even use your rear camera. So that's basically all the steps you need to film a YouTube video on your phone. Please like and subscribe to see the rest of my. Please like and subscribe to me. Just like this video, and while you're at it, you can go check out some of my older videos. I do lots of tech reviews, and I also did a couple vlogs. I'm gonna be doing vlogs monthly now, so you can check out some of my vlogs. They're gonna be in a playlist, and you can also just, please, if it doesn't hurt you, just please subscribe to my channel. It would help me bring out more content like this in the future. It won't be that hard. Just to push the button right down below, push it, and also push the like button. And if you want to get notified when I upload a lot, then just click this bell icon and get notified when I upload so much. Okay, I don't have an actual schedule, so yeah, I just upload a lot, and click the bell to be notified when I do, so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.